Today we are going to learn expression-based modeling. For this, let's draw the simple sketch as you see in the screen without giving any constraint. That is, the sketch is partially defined 15 movable cars. Okay, so first we understand what is expression-based modeling. Ex- Expression-based modeling allows us to create models that driven by parameters and expressions. And expressions are contro- equations that control dimensions, angle, and even positions of the different feature in our design. Okay, so next we need to understand why need to use these expressions. And before understand this one, let's list out these dimensions in expressions. For example, here I'm using d1, d2, d3 for diameter values, r1 for radius, and dl1 dimension linear 1, dimension 2, like that for linear values. Okay, before constrain our sketch, press Ctrl E, that is the expression command, activate, and here add all the expressions we mentions. Okay, the first is d1, d1, press tab, value 150, enter. Second value d2, tab 100, enter. d3, tab 60, enter. I pausing here video and adding remaining values and start again. So if you're able to see, I list down all the formulas, the name and the values here. Here all the values units are mm and dimensionality length and type number. Okay, the same, the, all these values are mentioned here. Okay, then click OK. After clicking OK, you can see all the expression here. Okay, so let's start with constraint this sketch. This sketch is open now. If you observe here, I mirror this above entity in second up, and in sketch I created the half portion only and giving the diameter values there. Okay, but uh, by future in mind, we need to create the full half cut section of the revolve body, because you get some difficulties when giving diameter values by half. Okay, so better to create the full half section, revolve half section. Okay, let's start. Dimensions, here, so this value is d1, double click and just press equal to, and then d1 and enter. Is yes. So if you observe here, mention p naught is equal to d1. Okay, then our second diameter, that is d2, is 100, and it's end one. The rapid dimension, close this one, double click, equal to, and then D2, enter. Here mention D2 is P1 is equal to 100. Okay, then D3 is 60. Double click, equal to D3, enter. D3 equal to 60. Okay, no issue. This one resolve when we are giving linear dimensions. Okay, so let's start with linear dimension. This is 125, DL1. Double click, equal to DL1. Okay, let's give this 300. Before that, we stretch some. Okay, before DL2, we give this DL3 dimensions. DL3 dimension equal to DL3, enter. Okay, Control C. Okay, so now give this 300 dimension, that is DL2, rapid dimension, double click, equal to DL2. Then let's check this, we already give, then 250, DL4, rapid dimension, double click, equal to DL4, enter. Then our last dimension DL5, 150, equal to DL5, enter. Okay, now our sketch is fully defined, and if you're able to see all this D1, DL1, DL2, DL3, D3, which is showing here in set of dimensions, all the dimension here. Now we understand why we use the expressions. Actually, expression makes our design adaptable and easy to modify. Let's understand and decode this easy to modify. Okay, now instead of changing here or after revolve command, also I can change easily. Suppose this D1 dimension, I'm going to change 140 mm. Press enter. it's going to be adapted easily like that. For a while I'm keeping 150 and show you after using the revolve command. Okay, so hope you understand, easy to adaptable and easy to modify. And the second one, instead of manual changing each dimension, you can adjust the one parameter and the model automatically updates. This is especially helpful in design iteration, ensuring consistency, saving time. Okay, now let's moving to the next session. Okay, before that I'm changing this one to the normal one and finish the sketch. Okay, okay, I want the revolve command. Go to the revolve. Here select the region boundary curves, select the upper one or the lower one, and you select this axis or line, anything it's available. Okay, click OK. Now go and click in make sketch internal. So sketch, your sketch will going to be height. Okay, so this is our now the expression based model. Okay, now we understand the adjust one parameter and I want that update automatically. Okay, so let's change this 300 dimension to the 250. If you observe, when we in the command in sketch environment, the expression, all the expression pan open, but here when we are out of in modeling environment, only you need to change the here direct value here, because I'm going to change the 280 mm. Let's observe here and let's enter. Let's adapt easily in other dimensions, it's also adapted. Okay, let's change this one also. So I'm going to change this to the 120. So this one is also change. Let's change this one is 200. Okay. Like that we can use one parameter more automatically updates. We can use the especially for saving the time. If you save this like this model, that's a standard model, and going to change directly here according to your needs. It's easily update instead of going again to the sketch and change manually. Okay, hope you found this video useful. Thank you.